2025 Ducati Streetfighter V4 S, the ultimate hyper-naked beast. The 2025 Ducati Streetfighter V4 S redefines what it means to ride a high-performance hyper-naked motorcycle. Derived from the race-winning Panigale V4, this latest iteration of the Streetfighter lineup showcases cutting-edge aerodynamics, an enhanced electronics suite, and raw, unfiltered power packed into an aggressive design. Let's dive into what makes this new machine the ultimate street fighter on two wheels. At first glance, the 2025 Ducati Streetfighter V4 S embodies the spirit of a fighter jet on two wheels. The bike retains its signature aggressive stance with a minimalistic yet muscular design, featuring Ducati's signature biplane winglets for increased stability at high speeds. These aerodynamic enhancements generate additional downforce, reducing front wheel lift and improving braking stability. The redesigned LED headlight setup takes inspiration from the Panigale V4, but carries a unique, menacing expression that gives the Street Fighter its raw and brutal character. The fuel tank is reshaped for better rider grip, offering improved ergonomics and comfort while maintaining a race-focused aesthetic. Ducati has also introduced a range of new color options, including a sleek Ducati Red and an exclusive Dark Stealth edition for riders looking for a more understated yet aggressive appeal. Step onto the 2025 Ducati Streetfighter V4 S, and you are greeted by a rider-focused cockpit designed for pure adrenaline. The 5-inch TFT color display has been upgraded with a more intuitive interface, featuring new riding modes and custom settings to fine-tune the riding experience. The switchgear has been refined, allowing riders to navigate through the settings effortlessly. The seat has been reshaped for improved rider comfort, making long rides and aggressive cornering more manageable. Ducati's premium Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension system ensures that the ride remains plush on city roads while delivering razor-sharp handling when pushed to the limits. The handlebar position is slightly adjusted, offering a balance between comfort and aggression, making the Streetfighter V4 S suitable for both spirited track days and exhilarating road rides. The attention to detail in craftsmanship, premium materials, and Ducati's signature high-quality finishing make this hyper-naked machine stand out among its competitors. Underneath the aggressive bodywork, the 2025 Streetfighter V4 S houses the heart of a beast, the 1,103 cubic centimeter Desmosedici Stradale V4 engine, producing a mind-blowing 208 horsepower at 13,000 RPM and 123 Newton-meters of torque. With such raw power, Ducati has integrated an advanced electronics package that ensures riders can harness every bit of performance safely and efficiently. The bike features the latest iteration of Ducati traction control, wheelie control, slide control, and power launch to optimize performance in all riding conditions. The quick shift, up and down system allows for seamless gear changes without using the clutch, enhancing acceleration and overall riding dynamics. Ducati's cornering ABS Evo works with the new Brembo Stylema monoblock brake calipers, delivering powerful yet precise stopping power. The lighter, forged aluminum wheels wrapped in high-performance Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 tires ensure optimal grip, making the Street Fighter an agile weapon on both twisty roads and track circuits.